And we're getting some breaking news. Punjab government has announced a series of fines for breaking lockdown rules. If more than 3 people travel in a car, they will be fined with 2,000 rupees, while roaming in public without a mask will be punished with a fine of 500 rupees. Several other such hefty fines which have now been decided by the Punjab government. Amandeep joining us with more details on the same. And also, Amandeep, we're picking up that one could also look at domestic flights which could be, stopped as far as coming back to the state of Punjab is concerned. That's also being contemplated upon. More details, please.
Yes, exactly. They are planning to reduce the domestic flights in Punjab, especially from the affected areas, just because 8 positive cases have been reported in Punjab who have travelled from the different part of the states to Punjab, and the number is 8. This is the matter of concern. That's why they are planning to reduce the number of flights. In fact, they have also decided if the flights like from Maharashtra, Gujarat and other affected areas will land in Punjab, so no other flight will be landing on that day particularly. And in fact, they have decided to do the COVID test, especially for that flights in their respective cities. This is the kind of planning that Punjab government is doing just to halt the practice of this spreading of COVID-19 through the domestic flight passengers. And if we talk about the fines, yes, they have imposed the fine.
Right. Right. So certain hefty fines which will be imposed. This has been announced by the Punjab government, also looking at reducing the number of flights, incoming flights coming back to the state of Punjab. Many thanks. We slip